Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners, Lesson 10, Curse 1. I'm your Italian teacher Claudia, and I'm very happy to see you here again with me today. Today, we're going to do part 2 of the important verbs in Italian. And then we're going to do their conjugation as well. So we're going to start with to know. To know in Italian is sapere. Sapere. Perfect. To know can be also conoscere. Conoscere. So what is the difference then? Conoscere is a knowledge that is a little bit more theoretical, while sapere is more practical. Okay? Great. Then we have to put mettere, mettere. Perfect. To say or to tell, dire, dire. Great. To want, volere. We have actually seen already a little bit of the conjugation of this verb. Do you remember the difference between io voglio and vorrei? That is the verb volere. To give, dare, dare. Perfect. To eat, a very important verb is mangiare. Mangiare. Perfect. So, let's start with the conjugation. This table is a small recap of the desinences for the verbs of the first group. So, the verbs that end with are, in case you need to see them again. Okay? If you need like a few times to see them again, just pause the video. Okay, and take your time. We're going to do some practical examples. First of all, mangiare. Mangiare is regular, okay? So there are no exceptions. So you see, the verb root is mangi, okay? So the part of the verb without are. So let's say that its conjugation. Io mangio, tu mangi, lui, lei mangia, noi mangiamo, voi mangiate, essi mangiano. Okay? Watch out the accent here. Mangiano. Not mangiano, but mangiano. Okay? Perfect. Then we have dare, to give. Dare is irregular. Okay? Let's see its conjugation. Io do, like the note. Tu dai. Lui, lei dà. Watch out, there is an accent here. Dà. Noi diamo. Voi date. Essi danno. There is a double N here. Okay? Perfect. Very good. Then this is a recap for the verbs that end with ere. So the verbs of the second Italian group. Okay? If you need to see them again, just pause the video and resume it as soon as you're done. Example. Conoscere. To know. Conoscere is regular. So, io conosco. Tu conosci, lui, lei conosce, noi conosciamo, voi conoscete, essi conoscono. Okay? Perfect. Then we have the other to know, sapere. And sapere is irregular, okay? So, io so. Tu sai. Lui, lei sa. Noi sappiamo, with double P. Voi sapete, and this is the only regular form. Essi sanno. Okay? Perfect. Very good. Then we have mettere, to put. Mettere is regular. So you take the verb root, met, with double T, and you attach the endings. So, io metto, tu metti, lui, lei mette, noi mettiamo, voi mettete, essi mettono. Okay? Perfect. Then we have volere. We have already seen something about volere. Volere is irregular. So, io voglio, with that difficult sound, voglio, tu vuoi, lui, lei vuole, noi vogliamo, voi volete, essi vogliono. Okay? Perfect. Then we have, if you remember, the verbs that end with ire. So this table is a recap about the desinences. Once again, if you need more time, just pause the video. Okay? Perfect. Dire. Dire is a verb belonging to the ire group, and it means to say, to tell. And it's irregular. So, io dico, tu dici, lui, lei dice, noi diciamo, voi dite, essi dicono. Okay? Perfect. So let's do a small exercise, un esercizio. Once again, as we have done in lesson 9, what you have to do is to translate the verbs into Italian. Okay? I'm quickly gonna read them in English so that you can have an overview, and then just pause the video to take your time to complete the exercise. Okay? I know. He says. They want. You know. We eat. She gives. I put. Okay, so now it's time to do the exercise. Just pause the video, and because I'm going to review the solutions now. So, I know, so. He says, dice. They want, vogliono. You know, conosci. We eat, mangiamo. She gives, dà. Did you remember the accent here? I put, metto. Great. Perfect. So let's do another exercise. Okay, that's the very same idea. So you just need to translate the verbs. Once again, I'm going to read them all first. They know. You'll say. I want. We know. You eat. I give. She puts. Perfect. Now time to pause the video and do the exercise. Okay? See you in a bit. So here's the solution. They know, sanno. You'll say, dite. I want, voglio. We know, conosciamo. You eat, mangi. I give, do. She puts, mette. Did you make any mistakes? If you did, just try this exercise one more time, okay? Or try to review the conjugation of the verbs. Perfect. Very good. So let's review the few new verbs we have done today. As usual, repeat right after me, please. Sapere, conoscere, mettere, dire, volere, dare, mangiare. Perfect. Great. So how was this lesson? Was it a little bit easier than the previous ones? In either case, Complimenti. Congratulations, you have just finished your 10th Italian lesson. We are halfway in course 1.